Hey guys, welcome to our video today. We have SilverSufer's Jeep out here today. He is getting a new heater core. So that's what we are doing. I'll flip you around here and show you what we're doing though. First, just take the door off. Reason for that, it's out of the way. He's got a snorkel. Door can only get open because we have to dig. Essentially, we got to be digging in behind here, so we got to take the glove box out and all that kind of stuff. I don't know what Dwayne's doing there now, but anyway. So once we get started here, I will show you what we're gonna do. Okay, now as you can see, we got the glove box out. You do have to take this panel off here as well. Usually just a small screwdriver. Mike doesn't really care, so he's just gonna yank on it hard here. But it usually pops out a little bit easier than this, but anyway. Yeah, there we go. There we go. So that comes out. We also have a whole bunch of screws. The screws are all going to be down. Like, there's one right, I'm going to put my finger on it. That one right there. There's another one over here. We got some screws in here that we got to take out as well. So the next thing that you have to do is you have to take this out of here. This is the air deflector that takes the heat from the heater core down to your feet. So it comes out right here. I believe it just pulls out. Mike's got something else back here. Oh, it's got a piece of something back there.
That is
It's a lock pick, isn't it? Part of the lock pick?
So he just pulls on her, Mikey. I'm gonna move this guy out of the way. It took him a while to get it out, so don't feel like it should come right out.
like this.
There's 3 clips that are holding it in.
Not really an eternity when it's already out. Oh. Okay, bro. There's half of it.
There's half of it, guys. So we just have to get the other half. There's the other half. Perfect. There we go. We got it all out. It all came out. Okay, so you can see we got a cut here. Oops. We also have a cut on the bottom right here, and then you can see it's cut over there. So we literally just have a bolt here that we've got, that bolt that's right there. We got to take that out, and then we'll be free to cut our lines to our
Oh no, we stopped.
to our heater core. There's a bracket that we pulled out.
Yeah, so it's right there.
So you can see where the cuts are.
Right there and there.
That's where you have to cut it. There's the cut on the corner,
Yeah.
and then there's that piece right there.
So
Flashlight's over here dying on the bench. Fucking still lit.
So we got splattered there. Hang on. Let's see if we can do this without. Mike got just a little damp. That's a good thing he had his safety glasses on.
yes, definitely.
Got his Apple Watch all covered in. Yeah. there we go.
The system.
Depressurize the system. You can see. There we go. So he did. He punctured one line. It's gonna smell like coolant in here for a little bit.
Yep.
Alright, let her fucking leave.
Oh.
Guys, you can see in there, she's just leaking.
It's falling into our catchment pan
Yeah.
below.
Yeah, into our bucket underneath. But anyway, there you go. Once you cut that, you're gonna have a little bit of a mess. Like he said, depressurize your system. So you obviously gotta wait for it to cool a little bit, but we did, we just pulled our cap. She was still a little warm, but anyway. So now all we gotta do is literally just pull this thing out. I don't think he's cut through on that line there. So just gotta cut this. Okay, so here we go. Let's just yank this thing out of here. There we go. Look at that. Just like that. And we got this wire we gotta kind of get around.
Put your hand on that sharp bit.
Get out of there.
Okay, stop for a second. Just cut those hoses off, guys. Wait, the bird nest going down. Oh yeah, don't worry about it.
There we go. Gone though.
This is Michael the environmentalist.
Where was it leaking? I don't know.
Who cares?
It doesn't look like it was leaking.
How can you tell?
Oh, what's this here?
Yeah,
Right there.
right there.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Okay.
So we're getting that thing in. Had to trim the lines up a little bit more just so everything's gonna fit in there. A little bit of patience you're gonna need to jiggle that thing in there. Okay, so here's the hose that you're gonna need to put in line of this. That's more than enough, as you can see.
That's nice.
Way more than enough.
Crapping out on me?
But that's what we gotta do.
Ooh, that was a good right-handed drink right there, boys.
Okay, guys.
I just noticed I put it out. Whoa.
There we go. You can see we got the new hoses on. Not replaced the chunk of hose that we, the piping that we took out. And you can see that our heater core right there is all in place. And now, essentially all we're gonna do, Mike's gonna do, or we're gonna do a hose change as well. He did buy the hoses for it, new cap, things of that sort. So we're gonna do that now as well. Get this thing all cleaned up. The coolant that you're gonna need, this is OE Plus or OEM equipment. This is from our local Canadian Tire. But there is, oops, there is your product number right there.
Okay. I'm gonna take the
Okay.
throttle body off and
That
clean
was-
it while you're doing this.
Yeah, that one's straight.
So we're just getting the coolant hoses in. We got a brand new coolant hose here. Goes down and right down in there. And we have this one on here. That one right there, that's a brand new one. So we got two new hoses on here now.
226,000 kilometers on them.
Yeah. These hoses should have been changed a while ago. This Jeep has got 226,000 K. And it's the first time these hoses have been changed. They were a little soft. These ones here, obviously, brand new. Good to go.